my classmate. Ay, kitang-kita kayo sa camera! Kitang-kita kayo, oh! What's up? Kitang-kita kayo, oh! Sabay niyo. No one there. That's too dark. That's my favorite teacher.
Okay lang naman, hindi na kailangan. Hi!
This is the 360 camera. Papakita ko po sa camera. Tignan mo. Kita mo. Vlogger ka?
Vlogger ka? Ha?
Sana ko. Kailangan ka na. Takot na takot eh. Bakit? Kitang-kita, oh. Kitang-kita. Kitang-kita, oh. Kitang-kita sa Rico. Alis! 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 TikTok ka! TikTok! 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 That's Alice. Oh. TikTok, oh, TikTok, TikTok. TikTok. Nahihiya. Pagod ka ba? Ay, kiliti ka? Ito mo! Opo! Ayun po! Tinatago mo ka! Tinatago yung mukha. Hello! Artistic. That's the Great Tree Tower. There are four rooms there. You might be thinking. You say there are 6 rooms, but there are 4 rooms. Yeah. Kita ka. Kita ka sa camera, bro. There are sports called badminton in the Philippines. This is hindi pa pala sila tapos. Hangin. Kaya gusto ko dito. Kaya lagi ko gusto dito eh. Did we paint that? The school did not paint that thing. The only thing we didn't paint that. Then we are grade 3. And you National University throw that. That's not how it.
Nadala ka ng cellphone. Kami ko naman mawalan. Sino nawalan ng cellphone sa inyo nun?
Ma'am, hindi po. Kila Serbong po.
Kay Sir Bong. O ikaw naman gusto mong gumaya. Nadala ka cellphone. Dala ba nanay mo yan? Sige. Ingatan mo yung cellphone mo. Malaglag.
Did you see it? Way back then, in 2024, 1 year ago, they built that thing. That gate. There's a kid playing basketball there. I just remembered something. A bottle is a big bottle. There's a lot of water in there because, you know, it's a big bottle. The cup fall down there. Now, I gotta be super cautious to not make it tip over, because once it tip over, the water will go around, just like right now. I'm not right further in the first day.
Kami ginagawa namin training ganun pa rin.
Kapag-galitan pa rin kaya? Ano lagi nila kapag-galitan? Ano po? Amin hindi eh. In the first day of grade 4, there's a bad thing happened. It fell down and caused a lot of mess. That's why I don't want to lose. Now I don't need a bottle anymore because I'm always the Hydrated. This is a two-way mirror. You can see it by yourself. You can see inside by your shadow. This is the school hall. Bro! Yep. Nagpapag-spark sila, gagi. Papakita ko. Wag! Sinungaling to eh. Gagi, sinungaling ka, visit. Kitang-kita oh. Kitang-kita oh. Yan, pinakitang-kita oh.
Here's the playground. Let's go to the other side of the playground. Go.
Ay! Lagi ka ba? Sumbog kita sa mami mo, tignan mo. Naluwag na nga ito eh.
Hi. Yeah, we're in the first side of the oval. Now we're going to the other side. Baliw si Redwood. Nabaliw na. Pero magsasayaw ka dyan.
Oh, TikTok!
May kapal ako na mukha.
TikTok! Sayaw! Makapal mukha!
Let's go! Magkano to the other side of the oval. Hey!
Tara, Nina! Ay!
May dahil mag-high ka to sa vlog.
Ay! Inaasar ka na to! Gugbo ka daw! Yeah! Pinalo! There's other hall and this is the other hall. This is the school hall. Second hall.
Punta na kay ma'am para makita siya.
Gabo.
Tara.
Nakita ko na.
Nakita na ma'am.
Nakita na.
Tayo pupunta. Mag-vlog lang kayo. Hindi kayo nag-explore.
Eh, doon nga. Hindi pa natin na-explore eh.
Tawag na kayo ng mama nyo. Bala ko, susumbungan rin namin kay ano. Ayun ba yun? Ano itong ilis na to? Tara, maglaro tayo dito.
I'm tired.
RIP to you, my boy.
Now let's get shaking, bro. Let's get shaking. Now let's spring and spring. Now spring and spring. Taba? Ayun.
Sup?
Makati dito. Nangangati ka? Ate mo naman. Hindi naman ka nakakati.
Ano? Pakita mo si Ilis! Mag-shoutout ka. Give a shoutout. Shoutout sa ano?
Lahat ng mga viewers sa subscribers. Kagaya mo, subscriber ka.
Yay! Ano ba subscribers mo?
7K.
Okay, 7K.
Tignan mo!
Oo nga, tingnan mo pa. For today's video, guys, papakilala namin si Aisen. This is John Aisen.
Ako na nga yun sa log. Sa ano? Sa profile ng YouTube. Aisen the Great.
Sabi ko, this is Aisen. Sumuko tayo, Raven For today's, guys, video, papakilala ko kay si Bless yan. Papakilala ko sa inyo, guys, si Si Raven. Then Raven is a smarted one. But his mind is, I'm still smart. So not smart. Makakuha sa amin ng 50-50. Chance.
Takbo sila. Takbo. 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 Si Alice bumalik na. That's the stage.
Nagkaroon naman ng award item.
Oo. Ayun si Ladi. Si Ladi! Ladi! Huli ka sa camera! Huli. Wale! Wale!
That's the volleyball.
Sino? Ayun o! Ayun o! Ayun o!
Ako mag-awak. Ako cameraman. Cameraman.
Ang cameraman. Ayun o!
What's the time, bro?
Ang house na. 3:56.
Camera.
Hindi, nandito ako. Special support ako dito.
Mama, baka makita mo meron ng Raven history. Mamaya.
Raven.
Raven the King in history.
Tawag na tayo. Tawag na tayo. Rinig hanggang dito ah. This is the oval.
When this is the playground.
This is going over because
This is an oval.
this shape,
This
these stones are formed to be an oval. Bro, why don't this thing stand upright? Bro! I'm gonna punch you. Oh, may nag-greedy! May nag-greedy! Greedy! Greedy!
Let's go to the greedy part!
Nag-greedy! Ano?
Maga pa ka.
Ito.
Saan ba kayo nagpunta?